Why does your scanner show the P1093 engine code? What does it mean? P1093 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel rail pressure too low. This engine code indicates that there's a problem with the fuel pressure relief valve. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Oxygen sensors, vacuum leaks, faulty fuel injectors, mass airflow sensors, fuel pressure problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Infiniti QX56, GMC 2500, and Chevrolet 2500 HD. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.